It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty.
Don't start up until you buckle up. Republic Act number 8750 or RA number 8750. Republic Act number 8750 is an act requiring the mandatory compliance by motorists of private and public vehicles to use seatbelt devices and requiring vehicle manufacturers to install seatbelt devices in all their manufactured vehicles. Click it or ticket. Failing to wear a seatbelt is a violation. It's fast, it's smart, it's the law. Isang paalala mula sa inyong mamisang vlog, be safe always when driving. Wear seatbelt. It saves your life. By the way guys, meron din po akong full video about sa Republic Act 8750 na naka-upload na po sa aking YouTube channel. Ilalagay ko na lang din po sa description down below ang link para hindi po kayo mahirapang maghanap na. At nakasaad po doon lahat ng dapat nyong malaman sa Republic Act 8750. And guys, may mga related videos din po ako na maaaring makatulong sa inyo. Ilalagay ko na lang po sa description down below ang mga link para hindi na kayo mahirapan pa. And guys, kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video ko for today, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mamizang Vlog. At maraming salamat po kasi parami po ng parami ang ating mga subscribers sa aking YouTube channel. At dun po sa hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please po, paki-subscribe naman po. Ulitin ko lang po, Mamizang Vlog, and please hit the bell button for more updated videos. Yun lang po, salamat, ingat, bye!